I'm Natalie and I'll be showing you how to make a plant stand. Indoor plants are all the rage at the moment and there is no better place to put your plants than on top of a beautiful plant stand. For this project you'll need a clamp, a drill, a pencil, some varnish, some drill bits, a tape measure, some masking tape, a saw, a paintbrush, some wood glue, sandpaper, a sanding block, timber, a square, 40 and 50mm wood screws and some dowel. We're going to make a plant stand that's 50 centimetres tall, so cut your length of timber accordingly. Use a measuring tape and a pencil to mark out your lengths and a square to make sure your lines are straight. Use a clamp to secure your timber so you don't slip while you're cutting. I've cut 4 pieces to 22 centimetres, 4 pieces of timber to 28 centimetres and 4 pieces of timber to 50 centimetres. This will form the base of my plant stand. I've chosen to varnish the timber of my plant stand to bring out the natural grains in the wood. I've used this British Paints One Coat Clear, and as the name suggests, you only need to use one coat. I'll be joining my top and bottom frames using wood glue and dowel. This will make for a better finish and no obvious joins. I'll be using my square to mark the centre of each piece of timber. That's where I'll be inserting my dowels. My timber is 30mm across, so I've set my square to 15mm, so I'll be measuring that to find the centre. And now I'll drill a pilot hole to insert our dowel. I'm using a 6mm drill bit, which is the same size as my dowel, to drill my pilot holes. I only want to drill half the depth of my dowel, so I'll mark that on my drill bit with some masking tape. Use a clamp to secure your timber and drill your pilot holes. Mark 15mm in from each end of your piece of timber. Just do this on the side so that your pieces of timber can butt in together just like this. Insert the dowel into the holes on your 28.5cm pieces of timber. Then use your wood glue and attach the 22cm piece of timber. Then repeat the process to form the other end of your base. Now it's time to attach the legs to the base of your plant stand. You will need to drill some pilot holes that are slightly smaller than the screws you'll be using. I'll be using 50mm wood screws to attach the legs to my bases. Use a clamp to keep everything secure while you drill your pilot holes. You'll need to drill just off centre because the dowel is going through the centre of your timber. Now drill your screw into your pilot hole and repeat the process for the other 4 legs. Now that the base is complete, it's time to add your top plate. I've got a piece of timber that's 28.5cm by 28.5cm and it will fit perfectly on top of my base. Turn your plant stand over so you can drill through the base into your top plate. And repeat the process on the other 3 sides. Then your plant stand will be finished. Bob's your uncle, Margaret's your aunt, and that's how you build a stand for a plant. A great styling tip is to build a couple of them at different sizes and make a cute little cluster in the corner of your room.